Welcome to Baskaran's Think Differently, Part 75. Here is an interesting game to be played with your near and dear ones. Kindly watch, share and subscribe. We have a 4x4 square with 16 cells. The numbers from 1 to 16 are filled in the 16 cells in their natural order. You ask your friend to choose one number from each row such that the numbers are from different columns. These four numbers can be chosen in 24 different ways. From the first row, you can choose any number that can be done in 4 ways. From the second row, one column cannot be chosen. So from the rest of the 3 columns, you can choose numbers in 3 different ways. From the third row, you can choose in 2 ways. When you go to the 4th row, 3 columns will be already represented. So you have only one number. So you have 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24 different ways of choosing 4 numbers from each row such that they belong to different columns. You ask your friend to add the simple numbers, 4 numbers he has chosen. Before he tells the answer, you can tell the answer. You don't know which 4 numbers he has chosen, but you know the sum of the 4 numbers he has chosen. What is that number? That number is 34. See, 1, 6, 11, 16 is one choice from the 24 choices. Find the sum. 1, 7, 8, 18, 24, 34. Similarly, 4, 7, 10, 13 is also one choice. Find the sum. 4, 11, 21, 24, 34. Not only that, you choose 3 from the first row. You cannot choose 7 from the second row. You can choose any of the 3 numbers 5, 6, 8. I choose 5. And from the third row, you cannot choose 9, you cannot choose 11 because those columns are already represented. I choose 12. You can choose 10 or 12. I have chosen 12. And in the 4th row, 14 alone remains. So we choose these 4 numbers and find the sum. 3, 8, 10, 20, 24, 34. See, it's surprising. We didn't arrange the numbers as in a magic square. This has happened spontaneously. Tana chenda kuttutogai. And can you prove it? I wanted to prove it and I thought about it. I'm very happy to share my own thinking. You write the 16 numbers in a different way. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 in the first row. I write them as it is. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 is nothing but 1 plus 4. Then you have 2 plus 4, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 4. So I write it in that way. The third row will be 1 plus 8, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 8, 4 plus 8. And the 4th will be 1 plus 12, 2 plus 12, etc. Now, I want to give different comparison for these 4 rows. In the first row, we have 4 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are in bare body without even banyan. In the second row, you have the same 1, 2, 3, 4 with banyans. In the third row, they are with shirt. In the 4th row, they are with jacket. Now, you have to choose one number representing each column. So, to represent the first column, you take one of these 4 numbers and 1 will certainly come in all the 4 numbers. So, 1 will necessarily come in the number chosen from the first column. In the number chosen from the second column, 2 will occur. Similarly, for the third row, 3 will occur. For the 4th row, 4 will occur. So I write them. 1, 2, 3, 4 will occur. We don't know in which costume they will occur. Each number will occur in a different costume. That is it. Because we have to select one number from each row. So if you take one number from the first row, one of them will be in bare body. And when you take a number from the second row, he will be with banyan. So, of the four numbers, of the four persons, one will be in bare body, one will be with banyan, one will be with shirt, and one will be with jacket. So, the four numbers will contain 1, 2, 3, 4 with one of these attachments. Each one will have one of these attachments. Therefore, the sum of the four numbers will be sum of these numbers, and sum of these numbers is 3, 6, 10, 14, 22, 24, 34. So, if you choose one number for each row in such a way that they are from different columns, then their sum will be 34. Think differently.